This video want to explain how to calculate the length of the chord. Before starting solving this question, if you are new to this channel, just click subscribe and put on your notification on, so anytime I'm releasing video, you'll be notified immediately. So in solving this question, it said the distance of a chord of a circle of radius 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Calculate the length of the chord. So this is a question under circle geometry, and you need to understand what we even call chord, how to identify chord in a circle, and how to even identify where to put radius. So let's solve it and see where I'm trying to explain. This is a circle. So there's a line from here to here. It is this line that we call chord. You put center here. Anytime there's a center here, any line draw from here to meet here, we call it radius. And we'll be given the radius to be 5 centimeters. Now, you now say that the distance of a chord of a circle of radius 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is, so this line is trying to illustrate 4 centimeters. Let's represent A, O, B. So let's represent here by M. So if I now to calculate the length of the chord, so and the length of the chord is represent the length of the chord is AB. This is line AB. So, and we know that AB is the same thing as line AM plus line MB, but they are equal. This line and this line, they are equal because this is a perpendicular line that divides it. So now, let's now remove this triangle out. Let's remove it. We have AM0. So this is 5 centimeters. So now this is 4 centimeters. So now you firstly, if you want to find the length of the chord, the first thing you are going to do is you firstly find the value of AM. So how do we find the value of AM? So let's apply the Pythagoras. And I've said in my previous video the meaning of Pythagoras and the formula for Pythagoras. Pythagoras says that hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So what is our hypotenuse square? We have 5 square is equal to 4 square plus line AM square. So this is what hypotenuse said. So let's now try to find the value of AM. So we have 25 is equal to 16 plus line AM square. So let's try to make AM as a subject of the formula. We have AM squared is equal to 25 minus 16. So line AM is equal to 9. So if our line AM is equal to 9, so let's try to find the square root of the fourth side. Find the square root of both sides. So we have root AM squared is equal to root 9. It will cancel. So we have line AM is equal to 3 centimeters. So if our line AM from the circle is, this is AM, and AM is equal to MB. So if AM is equal to 3, and at the same time is equal to line MB. So, and the length of the chord, as I've written, it is the length of the chord is equal to line AM plus line MB. So the length of the chord, which is AB, will now give you 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the value of the answer for the question we have been solving. So now, with all these steps and procedure, if you have any question relating to this, it will be very easy for you to solve and able to analyze the solutions out. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.